Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming device model and admin credentials so you don't get locked out mid-change. Once connected to the mobile Wi-Fi, open the router or hotspot admin page, either via app or 192.168.x in a browser, because that's where settings live. Make sure you have the current password and the new one ready. This prevents interruptions when authentication is required. If the device offers an app, use it for a simpler UI. Otherwise, proceed via the web console to reach the wireless settings. Once in the admin area, find the wireless or Wi-Fi section because that's where SSID and password live. You'll select the active network, then choose security settings, prefer WPA2 or WPA3, avoid open or WEP. Enter the new passphrase and confirm it, and while you're here you can rename the SSID if desired. Make sure the encryption method matches what your devices support so they can reconnect. Save or apply changes, then wait for the device to restart or reinitialize its radio before testing connections. After saving, reconnect each device using the new password and remove any old saved network entries so they don't try stale credentials. If a device won't join, make sure you type the passphrase correctly and restart both the client device and the mobile hotspot. Simple reboots often clear cache and DHCP conflicts. If the admin page becomes inaccessible or settings behave oddly, restore your backup or perform a factory reset as a last resort. Just remember to reconfigure SSID, password, and admin credentials afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.